Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Arunodayam's Biology. Today we are going to learn about excretion in case of plants topic from life process chapter. Excretion in case of plants. So in our previous videos we have learnt about excretion and excretion in case of simple small organisms, unicellular organisms like amoeba, and we have learnt how excretion takes place in case of multicellular organisms like human beings, isn't it? Now in this video we are going to learn how excretion takes place in case of plants. Okay, so like animals, plants also use different strategies to remove their waste materials to outside. In fact, they are better in excreting their waste materials than animals. So already we have learnt that plants have so much dead tissue in them, that's why their metabolic activities are very low, isn't it? So in order to remove the waste materials, plants uses different strategies. So now we are going to learn about those strategies only. Okay, so in case of plants, three types of waste materials are produced: gaseous waste materials. Okay, gaseous waste materials like carbon dioxide and oxygen, and excess water waste in the form of water, and solid waste materials. So these are the three types of waste materials produced in plants. Let us see how plants will remove them from their body. Okay, first of all, coming to gaseous waste materials. So two types of gaseous waste materials are produced in plants like carbon dioxide and oxygen. Carbon dioxide is produced as waste product during respiration. Oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. So both these gases will be removed from the plant body through stomata of the leaves. So in case of young plants, stomata are present on the leaves and also on the stems. So through these stomata, the gases will get rid of the plant body. In case of woody stems they have lenticels, so they will remove these gases through lenticels. In case of roots, they have root hairs. So by using these organs, the gaseous waste materials are removed from the plant body. Coming to water waste. So excess amount of water is present in plants. So this excess amount of water is removed from the plant body by two ways: transpiration and guttation. So already we know very well about transpiration. Excess amount of water in the plant body is removed in the form of water vapor through the stomata of the plants is called as transpiration, isn't it? During daytime. So excess water is removed in the form of water vapor through the leaves. That process is called as transpiration. Whereas guttation means excess water is removed in the form of water droplets through the stomata of the leaves. So in transpiration process, water is removed in the form of vapor, whereas in guttation, water is removed in the form of water itself, water droplets. So by these two process, water is excreted. Okay, third one, solid waste materials. So plants produces some solid waste materials also. So how they remove them? Usually plants store these solid waste materials in their vacuoles. Okay, vacuoles, and they will store these vacuoles in their body parts like leaves, fruits and bark. Okay, so the plants will store their waste materials in leaves and fruits. After some period, they will drop off them. They will drop off these leaves and fruits which contains solid waste materials. That's why some leaves and fruits are unpleasant to taste. Why? Because they are having the nitrogenous waste materials of plants, and so much amount of dead tissue is present in case of plants. Now that dead tissue is nothing but bark which will be dropped off from the woody stems. So in that way, plants remove solid waste materials, and plants also produces waste materials in the form of resins, gums, alkaloids also, which will be used for human beings. So some waste materials of plants are used by human beings for their purposes, like resins. These are stored in old xylem. So these resins are useful for vanishing purpose. That means they are used for painting purpose. So gums are useful for adhesive purpose. So many alkaloids are also produced in plants. Nitrogen containing substances are produced in the form of alkaloids in case of plants. These alkaloids are used as medicines. Okay, for example, reserpine. It is an alkaloid which is produced from a snake plant, Rauwolfia serpentina snake plant. So this reserpine is used as an antidote for snake bite. Okay. So just like that, neem plant also has alkaloids like nimbin, which is used as antiseptic purpose. Just like quinine, which is obtained from cinchona officinalis, is used as a drug for malaria. That alkaloid is useful for treating malaria. So like this, so many alkaloids are produced which will be used by human beings for their purposes. So that is about excretion in case of plants. So three types of waste materials are there, and we have seen how they are getting rid of these waste materials also. So that is about our topic today, that is about excretion topic also. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubts, please ask me in comment section. I will definitely clarify your doubts. If you understand this video, please like this video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.